Hey everyone, this is Mark with Originality.ai. We're an online AI content and plagiarism checker with a 99% accuracy rating for detecting AI-generated content. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our new free AI paragraph generator, which uses the power of GPT technology to supercharge your productivity and take you from idea to publishable content faster than ever. Our tool offers a comprehensive suite of features to help you tailor the language, style, and structure of your paragraph to fit your needs. I'll be walking you through how to effectively use our tool today. Check out the link in the description to follow along.
To get started generating your paragraph, first enter a topic or outline. Topics give a focus area for what the paragraph will be about, and outlines can define more specific features that the paragraph should have, like specifying that it should be an introduction or listing key points that should be discussed. You can generate with either a topic or an outline, or you can use both, as I'm going to be doing here. If you have any specific keywords you would like included, you can enter them here in the keyword field, separated by commas. Once you've defined the content for your paragraph, if you'd like to set a specific style, you can click the Style heading to expand the section and select Style Qualities. The tone setting allows you to generate a paragraph in a particular tone of voice, while the detail setting allows you to control how in-depth your paragraph will be. With our language settings, you can choose which language you'd like to write your paragraph in, and you can use the audience options to write with a specific audience in mind. Today I'll be writing something in-depth for small business owners, and we'll be going for something funny and upbeat. Lastly, select how you'd like your paragraph to be formatted and how long you'd like it to be. You can choose both a word count range and a number of sections, whether they be paragraph blocks, list items, or bullet points. Now just click Generate, and in moments your paragraph will be generated to fit your specific needs, dropping into the feed on the right-hand panel. Whichever settings you choose, your paragraph will always be readable, well-written, and free of grammatical errors or spelling mistakes. If you're happy with most of a paragraph, but you want to make some small adjustments to get it perfect, you can use the Fine-Tune feature to rewrite individual sentences. This will keep everything in the paragraph the same, but rewrite the particular sentence you target, still keeping in mind the tone, detail, language, and audience settings you chose for your paragraph, as well as your topic and outline. Once it's finished, your fine-tuned paragraph will be added to the top of the feed. Now that you have your paragraph just the way you like it, you can either save it as a docx or txt file, or copy it to your clipboard.
And there you have it, writing made easy with Originality AI's paragraph generator tool. If you liked this one, be sure to check out the rest of our collection of free AI-powered writing tools. If you already have a paragraph written, but want to rewrite it in a particular style, try our paragraph rewriter. If you want something more short form, check out our sentence generator, and if you're still at a brainstorming phase, check out our blog title generator. Links for all those tools are included in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark with Originality AI, and I'll see you next time.